Hello Poodles, welcome to my channel Radhe Radhe. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss the uh, two questions from the two pointer, and this will be the last lecture of the two pointer. So the first question is the minimum length of the string after deleting the similar ends. This is the medium level questions from the lead code. um, let's see what the question is saying. We have given an string as consisting of character ABC. It means the string has only three characters ABC. Not means three character occurrence will be allowed, but it consists of ABC only. Now you are applying the following algorithm on the string of any times. Like you can pick any prefix from the string as where all character is in prefix are equals to, and or else you can pick the suffix from else where all the character in the suffix are equal. The prefix and suffix should not intersect in any index. The character from the prefix and suffix must be named. Delete both the prefix and suffix. We have to return the minimum length after performing the above operation. So yeah, questions is quite confusing. So let me let me clear what the question is saying. We have given CA, we have given CA and BAA, BAA, BAC. So the question is saying what is the minimum length after removing the same prefix and the suffix? Like you can see here, A and A is equal, so we can remove this one. Now we have A and A. A and A is equal, we remove this one. B and B equal, we remove this one. A and A equal, we remove this one. So now what the length? Length is 0 because all the characters removed. So we will return 0 as an answer. Now the another case is that we have given A, B, C, C, A, B, B, A, B, A, B, B, A. Now here A is A and A equal. Now there's another condition. Like here four condition is there. Now and another condition is given that if A and A equals, and if the letter after that is also equals to the previous one, like if these two are equal, so we remove all two. We remove all two, and here one. So we can remove the any occurrence from the end, but the thing is that all the number will be equals to the last and the first. Now these two removed. Now B and B is given. Two B is there. So two B will be replaced here, and one B is from here. Now we have CCAB. Now you can see there is no similarity. So we will return answer CC. Like CCA is the answer. So we will return 3 as a length because C and A is left, and there is no chance that we can remove this one. So we will return 3 as the answer. So this is a question that is saying. Now if we see the solution, how can the intuition behind this question is that we have given the question CA, I will take the difficult one. A AAB CC CC ABBA ABBA. Now what we will do, we will use the two pointer approach, and as we know, we always we take one pointer from the first side and other from the last side. Now I will check if A equals to A. If A of I equals to B of I, now like A is the array ARR. Let's consider the array is ARR. Now if we see ARR I equals to ARR J, yes, then we'll again check the condition that is ARR I is equals to ARR I plus 1. Yes, here is that this is the ARR I plus 1. yes, then we will move the shift the I pointer. I will be here. Now in this case, A and B is not same, so I will be here only. And and if there is a condition as well, we'll check from that side E if ARR j equals to AR j minus 1. But here it is not like that. So we will not do anything. We will we will not go to that if condition. So now if now I will be here, j will be here. What, and then after that what we will do? We will again move the I pointer here and j pointer here, like, okay. Now again we see I equals to j, yes, if it is. And check, again we check if a of I equals to a of I plus 1. No, no condition is there, so we will keep it aside. And then we check the here if a of j equals to a of j minus 1. Yes, it is. So we will move the j pointer on the left side. J will be here. Now we will now again a and b is same. Now what we will do, we will just move I here and j here. Now I will check c equals to a. No, a of r r I and a of r j is not same. So what we will do, we will break the loop and we will simply return j minus I plus 1, which is the length of the loop, length of the left string. So yeah, this is the simple approach from which we can solve the question. Now if we see the code, you can see we have taken I and we have taken j from the back side. Now we check if the length is 1. This is the base condition. Like if the length is 1, there is no need, there is no any number that no, there is nothing the occurrence means there is no other number. So just one number is there. So there is no need to check. So we will just return 1. Now after that we will check I equals to j, I smaller than j, the simple break condition that we are using from the first in class. So yeah, after that we have check if a of r r I, like here it is s. So I check s of I equals to s of j. If yes, then again it comes into this condition. We will check that number behind that s of I is again equal. So we will just move I plus plus, and this is for the any for the safe condition. If a number exceeds, so then we will not go into that condition. So this is for this to be in the safe zone. That's why I have written I smaller than equals to j. So yeah, so this condition is valid, then I plus plus. If this condition is valid, then j minus minus, or else and again here our pointer reach here, where it is. So our pointer reach here, like I move here, so I will be here, j will be here. Now we will remove this will, so there is no need to remove, we just shift I and j. So that's why we are doing I plus plus and j minus minus. As if it not equal, then break the loop and then return the answer j minus 1. We'll take the maximum because there is a chance that it will go negative as well. So we are to maintain the safer side, we are just taking the maximum of this one or else 0. So this is the simple approach. Now if we take the if we think the time complexity, so it's simply as our power is 10 to the power 5. So yeah, we need only o to the o of n solution. So yeah, it will take one loop is here, it will take o of n o of n, and this while loop is so small, so it can be neglected. So the O of n is the time complexity, and if we talk about the space complexity, it will be O of 1. So it will run all the condition. If we see the let's check if it is passing our all test cases or not. So you can see that it the all test cases are passed and it is accepting our code. So it is one of the way to solve the question. There are many way, but this is the way to solve the question using two pointer. Now again, other question is this is also a medium level question from the lead code. Uh, we have the question name is container with most water. Now the question is uh, quite simple. We have given an integer array of height of length n. There are n vertical lines and such that two point in endpoint of I lines are I and 0, like I and height 1. Find two lines that together with the x-axis from container such that the container contain the most water. We have to return the maximum amount of water container can store. So it means that we have given one of the figure you can see, and in the figure they are asking that we have to return the maximum area where we can store water. Like this is the area, the bluish one is the area where we can store the maximum water. We can store water here as well. This is also a area, but this is not maximum one. We cannot store water. We cannot store water here, uh, like this one, this one, because water will flow from this side. Okay, what I mean to say that that here is given smaller height and here is a larger height. If I take this one whole, then water will only will be here only, because if water will go beyond this line, then water will start falling and it will not give us the answer. We This is the only area where the water will be kept, so we need to find the maximum one. So here you can see this is the maximum area. So is this this can also be solved with the help of two pointer. What will we do? We will just take we will we will just take a two pointer left and right. Left is from 0 and right is from n minus 1, like we are doing from the first class, like another pointer is from the last side. So now there's a break condition. If left is smaller than right, if yes, then we will check. We will need area. So area means length into breadth. Here is the height into width. So height is what we will take the height. We will take the minimum. Why? Because like you can see, if we have this line, this and this. So can we store water here? This level is possible? No, it will fall the water. The water will fall down. We will store water just in this region. That is, we will take the smaller height to keep our water. That's why we are doing mean. We are taking mean of the height of the both side, and then we are checking width. Width is nothing, like right is here, left is here. So width is this one, like right minus left. And after that we are taking the area of it, and we need maximum, so we are just storing we are taking max where we will store the maximum one, so we are using max function and storing that one. Now we after that how now after that, if the height of left is smaller than height of right, what we will do? We will move the left pointer. Why? Like what is saying that if we have this one and this one, so we can store water here only. Okay, and it is saying that we will move the left pointer if left is smaller, or else right will be moved. Like you can see here, right is greater and left is left is greater and right is smaller. So what will the with it comes under this condition, else condition. So we will move the right pointer to get the maximum answer, because if the height is more, we will get the we will get larger area. That's why we are moving the right pointer. So in this way, if we find the if we, to find the largest answer, so that's why we are moving just left pointer if to get the maximize as right pointer, and then returning the maximum as an answer. So as a simple thing that we can solve with the help of two pointer. So now this is my last lecture of my two pointer playlist. I hope you will understand what is two pointer and how it works. And if you like this playlist, please like, share, and subscribe. And from the next week, I will start taking the session from the sliding window, which is again the something like two pointer, but it is a more you can solve many question like Saveris question using that sliding window approach. And okay, so thank you.